Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Let us chant the Dhyana Shloka of Samarasya, Shloka Sangraha, all together. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Graditam Puranamumina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshini Bhagavati Ashtadashaധ്യായിനി Ambatvamanusandadami Bhagavad-gīte Bhagavad-preshini Yam Brahma Varunedra Rudramarudaha Sunnanti Divyai Savaihi Vedai Samravadapramodamishadaihi Gayantiyam Samaha Dhyanavasthitatadgatena manasa Pashyanti yam yoginaha Yasyantam na vidussura-suraganaha Devaya tasmai namaha Vasudeva sudam devam Tam sachanuramardhanam Devaki paramanandam Krishnam vande jagadgurum Mukam karoti vachalam Pangum lambhayate girim Yatrapātamaham vande Paramanandamadhavam Pārāśaryavacas sarojamahalam Nītāर्थagandhottatam Nānākhyanakakesaram harikatha Sambodhanabodhitam Loke sajjana shatpadairaharaha Epiyamalam mula Bhuyat bharata pankajam kalimala Radhamsina shreyase Atha Srimad Bhagavad-gītāsu Mokshartam yoga pranāmi samarasya shloka sangraha Shri Bhagavan-uvaca Aneka chitta vibhrantaha Mohajala samamritaha Prasattaha bhogeshu patanti narakeshu chau urdhvam gachanti sattvasthaha madhye tishtanti rajasaha jaganyaguna-vrittisthaha adho gachanti tamasaha chaturvidha bhajante maam jana sukrutinorjuna arto jignāsurarthārthi jnāni ca bharatarshava kāyena manasa buddhya kevalayirindriyairapi yoginah karma kurvanti sangam tyaktva shuddhaye uttamah purushastvanyah paramattmetyudākritaha yo lokatrayamavishya vibharta प्रत्यव्यय ईश्वरः तस्मात् शास्त्रं प्रमाणन्ते कार्याकार्यव्यवस्थितौ ज्ञात्वा शास्त्रविधानोक्तं कर्म कर्तुमिहार्हसि समदुःखसुखस्वस्थः समलोष्टाश्मकाञ्चनः तुल्यप्रिया प्रियो धीरः तुल्यनिन्दात्मसंस्तुतिः तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः सुखदुःखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ जयाजयौ ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि आश्चर्यवत् पश्यति कश्चिदेनम् आश्चर्यवद्वदति तथैव चान्यः आश्चर्यवच्चैनमन्यः शृणोति श्रुत्वाप्येनं वेद न चैव कश्चित् यं लब्ध्वा चापरं लाभं मन्यते नाधिकं ततः यस्मिन् स्थितो न दुःखेन गुरुणापि विचार्यते मुक्तसङ्गो नहं वादी धृत्युत्साहमन्वितः सिद्ध्यो समुद्धारः कर्ता सात्विक उच्यते. Once again this. मुक्तसङ्गो नहं वादी धृत्युत्साहसमन्वितः सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्यो निर्विकारः कर्ता सात्विक उच्यते. Now today's मच्चित्ता मद्गत प्राणाः बोधयन्तः परस्परम् मच्चित्ता मद्गत प्राणाः बोधयन्तः परस्परम् कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यम् तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यं तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च Now all together. Macchitta madgata prana bodhayantah parasparam kathayantascha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. Macchitta madgata prana bodhayantah parasparam kathayantascha mam nityam tushyanti cha ramanti cha. We'll contemplate this shloka today. जयति पराशरसूनुः सत्यवती हृदय नंदनो व्यासः यस्य आस्य कमलगलितं वाङ्मयममृतं जगत्पिबति व्यासाय भवनाशाय श्रीशाय गुणराशये हृद्याय शुद्धविद्याय मध्वाय च नमो नमः. शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं ಶೇಷಂ ರಾಮಾನುಜಂ ಯತಿಂ ವಾಯುಂಚ ಮಧ್ವಮಾಚಾರ್ಯಂ ಆಚಾರ್ಯತ್ರಯಮಾಶ್ರಯೇ. Dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculties. So we are contemplating one by one variety of shlokas which are bringing samarasya, the essence of the whole yogas, all the yogas whatever we have been chanting and contemplating all these days. So yesterday we had a wonderful shloka where Mukta Sangaha was explained in a beautiful way by our Chancellor. How can we become Mukta Sangha? He gave a beautiful example of Arjuna and how Abhimanyu when he dies. Is it not? After listening to Bhagavad Gita, when Arjuna loses Abhimanyu, he is crying. Then what is the use of this Bhagavad Gita listening then? They immediately forgot. Is it not? We are also like that. When it comes to our shoes, we will forget everything. And we also cry like that. So what is the use of this Bhagavad Gita? After listening to Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna, he said, I lost all my moha, everything. But you made my eyes open. And at the 13th day when Arjuna loses Abhimanyu, he cries, oh, I want him. Mukta Sangaha, how to become Anahamvadi. This is what is Ahankara, Mamakara, Nirmamo, Nirvikaraha, Samadukka, Sukakshami. That we have to adopt practically, not just by listening to pravachana, chanting. Okay, it has to be brought into walk the talk. That is very important. Try to walk the talk, then only you can experience the divinity. That is explained yesterday in a beautiful way. Now today, Machitta. Now we are going into another various dimensions of this Rajavidya Rajagukhya, where Krishna says Machitta, Madgata Pranaha, Bodhayantaha, Parasparam, Kathayantascha Mam Nityam, Tushyanti Charamanti Cha. Machitta, one who completely puts his mind devoted directly into me only. Machitta, Madgata Pranaha. Yes, when he is there inside us, then only we will have prana. But our prana, we say in Kannada, ನಾನು ನೀವು ಮುಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪಂಚಪ್ರಾಣ ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಏನಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಗಳು ಪ್ರಾಣ ಅಪಾನ ವ್ಯಾನ ಉದಾನ ಸಮಾನ. ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪಂಚಪ್ರಾಣ ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಏನಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ನಾವು. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಚ್ಚಿತ್ತ ಮದ್ಗತ ಪ್ರಾಣ, ಭಗವಂತನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸು ನೆಟ್ಟಾಗ ಮದ್ಗತ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಭಗವಂತನನ್ನೇ ಕುರಿತು ಭಗವಂತನಲ್ಲೇ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಅವಾಗಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಂಚಪ್ರಾಣವು ಭಗವಂತನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀನವಾಗೋದು. ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಆಯಾ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೇಕೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಪಾನ ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೇಕೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಸಹ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರೋದು. ಇದೇ ಹಠಯೋಗ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಅಪಾನವನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಪ್ರಾಣವನ್ನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ತರೋದು. ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯುನೈಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಠಯೋಗ. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಆಲ್ ಅವರ್ ಪಂಚಪ್ರಾಣ, ಮದ್ಗತ ಪ್ರಾಣ. ಹಠಯೋಗ ಆಲ್ಸೋ gives the same result of that. Madgata prana, bodhayantaha parasparam. When two devotees meet together, they won't talk anything which is a materialistic thing. Vartalapa madodilla. They don't even waste their time in doing kalakshepa. No, they will be always speaking about my glory. Bodhayantaha parasparam. They will always discuss the glories of Lord only. That is what it is told in one of the Dvadasha Stotra. Kuru bhungshvacha karma nijam niyatam hari pada vinamra dhiya satatam hari reva paro hari reva guruhu hari reva jagat pitru matragatihi tadalam bahuloka vichintanaya. Stop that nonsense discussion of worldly affairs. Put all your mind into Lord's feet only. Tadalam bahuloka vichintanaya kuru Pravanam Kuru Manasam Ishapade. This is what is necessary here. That is what is we are trying to do. Machitta, Madgata Pranaha, which was totally beautifully explained in Dvadasha Stotra sung by Vidya Bhushana. Oh, what a beautiful way. Tadalam Bahuloka Vichintanaya. Loka Vichintana, why do we need? Let us keep our mind completely concentrated in the lotus feet of the Lord. Pravanam Kurumana Sameshapade. That is what is Madgata Pranaha. Bodhayantaha Parasparam. How do we make our mind concentrated in God? Only by discussing about Him only. Bodhayantam parasparam. Then Kathayantascha mam nityam. That is why Srimad Bhagavatam Dashamaskanda is there, Krishna Leela. To discuss and to celebrate, to enjoy and tell the Leela of the Krishna to everyone. If nobody is there, then discuss, do manana among yourself. This is what is. Kathayantascha mam nityam. Krishna says they always think about me. They always, even if they dance, they dance about thinking about me only. Every activity is directed towards Lord. Kathayantascha mam nityam. And they are going to derive happiness only by doing this only. Tushyanti cha, ramanti cha. Always they will be very happy by doing kathana, bodhayanta parasparam. That is what we are, that is why prarthana milan is very much necessary. We are doing kathayantascha nityam. Every day we are at least 20 minutes we are spending here, complete minutes, 20 minutes dwelling in that. So that rest of the day should be spent in a very happy mood of Bhagavat Prajna. This is what is necessary here. We have to maintain that Bhagavat Prajna always 24/7. Smartavyaha satatam vishnoho vismartavyo na jatu chitu sarve vidhi nishedasyu. Vidhi is what? Remember God. What is nisheda? Don't forget. What a beautiful way. Sarve vidhi nishedasyu etayoreva kinkaraha. What a beautiful way this beautiful shloka is giving us. Beautiful dimensions of the Lord's magnanimity and glory. This is the gist. Hari Om Tat Sat.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kasya dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.